Yeah, good evening, fellow Ghanaians. And date here 22nd, right? 22nd of December 2020. Na masamba biem this time round and Sembia Edi Ahini ewo ye political space. A very important as me share na me continue to conscientize the ordinary Ghanaian to understand. Se Ghana ye tin ye nyina no ye dia o da always tell you say mo man no hia Ghana man ye wara o dia menka se o mfa ho. The youth arise, Ghana youth for your country. The nation demands your devotion and dedication. Let us all unite and uphold Mother Ghana. And I've always said that people should not take it as a joke. And then, clearly, hypocrisy is the order of the day. And I say, and I say, some people have strategically decided not to tell the truth because Ghana hana etino. Emse ubia no otia bia no fo say no kreka edin and I say no kre no eda no yamfa nto de eda nti no, it is clearly eluding us na mankrofobia nya the penchant of telling lies and thinking the Ghana no it belongs to them today. And then I was very busy today doing my things. A man for be person creating impressions. Ghana, you know, Bibi Kosumu, no friend idea. There's nothing going on in Ghana. It is just a theatrical group of disgruntled elements. Omo Ghana. Omo kona baby no mudin se mu. Intino me catch us sabri amenoka se opese utie sempa, share it with your brothers because they never be Ghana for about the NDC and their diabolical agenda, which is very key. What is here? And then since morning, Opafa Accra Mall, Nafa Achimota Mall, Nafa Mall, Sewo Kumasi Mall, and then if you Kumasi now Accra. Now all over the places, Ghanaians are going about their normal duties. Be anywhere see Ghana. A NDC for creating impression using the media to create an impression say Obi Bibi Koso Ghana. It's a total blatant fallacy. And nobody should accept that. Say Bibi Koso. What do you say? See how I'm driving up for the city of Accra. Haruna Drisu no more sorry koye the omo ye no ma deda. Joma ma one ne ba omo ti change home here kira here. Wada me te ben no pa here the busuafo ne yere ne mane twi bicycle wo kira. What do you say? Yeah, te zongo no ye wo na chiri ha ne nim. Eti no mamun teki this say here especially I'm speaking to our brothers and sisters in the diaspora. Nothing can happen. Omunye mema omuni mushe omuni true, and I will show you why they are just a bunch of irresponsible Ghanaians who think that Ghana belongs to them. Hey, and then me sorry I no pay. Ade a me share ya e ma me buofu a na me ba be video no ma dwe say ka Christmas me di bronya me ne mabusuanfo na nke agiani na ya tena ho na Ghana fo a mo gi o me no bi aginani nka ene nka video me nye video of. But I feel say it is very important that this video no about. And na me sorry anopa na me hwe TV and na me hu say minority group led by Haruna Idrisu ese omanya ho anya the shenanigans, enya the effrontery, enya the balls at the petition call electoral commission say they are rigging elections. Now they want to present their petition to the electoral commission. You see, I have always tell you that Ghana say I'm fighting for Ghana. One way I be a mistake, eh? Maybe my first evidence about certain group of characters or parliamentarians they call themselves honorable men, and I'm ready to go before the privilege committee. So I'm on me, and I will go because these people call themselves honorable members of parliament, walking to the heart of the legislature to present their petition. Here, this is Ghana Web. Ghana Web Report. And as a graphic online, 14th July 2018. Tiasameka, or see CID has submitted a docket to the Attorney General of the Republic of Ghana about NDC ministers who allegedly caught in double salary scandal in this country. Men can be na minu anoma mutie mi. We Ghana story we free baby o. CID for Ghana and a investigation 2018 14 July report on the Babontaine say NDC wa ben ministers are no mudi aban any MPs are no mudi aban e big double salaries na binum ye minister and almost ye MPs into oji akatua wa ha no waji akatua wa ha na Ghana mamra no tieni o Ghana mamra no section 121 clause 1 of the Criminal Code and Other Offense Act of 1960 Act 29 Haruna Idris was on Nimbrofo Nimya and the watching ya go electoral commission. He should be ashamed of himself. Sa act may say repeat section 121 Act 1 of the Criminal Code Offense or Criminal and Other Offense Act 1960 Act 29 amended in 2012 by the same Haruna Idris in Parliament. Act 849 say so we are by Juma now we will be a by Juma when you quite so double salary. So we a minister no one another salary will baby. It is against the law. CID 4 years NDC 4 MPs and ministers, including Haruna Idrisu allegedly. I know Odi any so present a petition. According to CID investigation, we are Ghana allegedly. One in the MPs be a no more parliament, Bebodi, Ama Kofi Bua, and then no can be MP for Ellen Bele. Ama Kofi Bua, no a minister for energy. Now say MP for Ellen Bele no, or J double salary. Criminal code no action. ABA Fuseni, MP for Sanarigu, or no so Okahu, CID report, near me also be Panamecount. Otia say, Fifia Viqueti, and then Okahu be no call, electoral commission, or no so allegedly, or no so edgy double salary. This is a report coming from the CID, and Yami also be Paname okay treating this report. Now Ghana MCT Banana Republic. People who perpetrated crimes, alleged crimes in this country, have the shenanigans to question the legitimacy of election in this country. And because the Attorney General, I didn't even see your Attorney General until Betty Okufu as a one. Docket way, according to CID, any Ghana report, Ghana Web report, this docket was presented to Attorney General for review. Ebesi ne Yetiminchi Obia Nasi and Timmy for MP court. These are people who are lawmakers and they're supposed to know the law in this country. Omo Bumraso Ghana Mrakesia. A chese Ucho Memuna ye minister Nasa ye MP. Uni ukwanse oje double salary. Oma koji double salary. And yet they are working freely, questioning Ghana, your democracy, so be a go reabem. Na sebi previous allegedly, Crawford-Tetua can question the legislature in this country. These are facts from the CID. MPs and almost sorry call electoral commission. No, what I say Ghana mra HSA or more degree at the account my Ghana allegedly. They are working freely, and yet journalists in this country who are supposed to be the fourth estate of the realm, journalists who are supposed to know better, journalists who are supposed to conscientize the nation, they are sitting down, they're holding cameras, following these people across in better jurisdictions in countries like United Kingdom and developed democracy. You can't see this happening because these are facts. CID report. MPs Haruna Idrisu allegedly any Omo Mudi we be Fuseni Fifi Kwete and Neil and Van der Poel any Nkofo MPs almost about 60% of Mubesi call electoral commission say Obia Ria Bemu na yen yomo domo petition kono etienda yenso mabunu a yewo Ghana yenso yemfra mabunu a yewo Ghana nyina ase yensore na yempamo Haruna Iddrisu ne nkrofo e wo parliament omudi oman Ghana yesika ato pre awia oman Ghana allegedly no yensusu yensore ne yemfa mranhye yensam ne yemfa kontima anko letter yemfa kontima enko parliament ko chesi Haruna Iddrisu ne nkrofo ana say yeta Banana Republic. That is how we should do, because Ghana mrano and no chese oma mejimi enyeshi. They have violated the laws of this country, and I'm speaking to facts. These are violation of section 121 clause 1 of the Criminal and Other Offense Act of 1960, Act 29. Odiase omo atra parliament sa amende no. Odiase 2012 Act 849, stealing, maji double salary, manya the balls and that effrontery to go and stand at the electoral commission so be ako wiabem. Enya MPP force me blame mo. Anka mo baaye na anka mo kofo mu na omu di sie ni nyonyonyo per the law. Legally, this is laws of this country. Nobody is above the law in this country. They should call me to the privilege committee, and I'm ready to face them. I am ready to face them. This is the law of Ghana. And the laws of this country. And they are legislators. Mutra Kroma. Now Oman say what is good for the geese is good for the gander. Now Momo dear Muti Kroma. Amanyoma nyina bibiano it should be all right for you because moye and Haruna Iddrisu tussling with the police law enforcement agency. No be or TKJT now to be or take Kantamanto Suni police ni ekoye ya. Even hassling with the police is against the law. You can never physically engage the police officers in that manner. Meanwhile, you're supposed to call yourself honorable members of parliament. Moye lawyers amuni mrase Ghana mrakase se woni abato komisa nya adwene wo abato ho nsensemu a what you do is to go to court, not to go to the streets and challenging electoral results in the full glare of the general public. Gimmickry. They should be ashamed of themselves. And I will say it and say it any day, because the truth is the truth. Who are dia femfem dia me ye pewacho. No asade si chira kosra. Wa kodi